Hey guys, I'm Brenton. Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today, we're going to talk about where there's no law against the fruit of the Spirit. As we wrap up today, this 2-week series on the fruit of the Spirit, have you noticed that there are no restrictions, no law against the fruit of the Spirit? After Paul lists all of the different fruits of the Spirit, he says in Galatians 5:23, against these there is no law. You see, the reason why there is no law against the fruit of the Spirit is because unlike the deeds of the flesh, the fruit of the Spirit is actually edifying, whereas the deeds of the flesh can cause harm. One scholar describes the difference between the fruit of the Spirit and the deeds of the flesh like this. The works of the flesh know no law, but the fruit of the Spirit need no law. You see, the truth is that God doesn't want you and I to live a life where we're constantly bound by these deeds of the flesh. His desire is that all of us would live a life where we are free in the Spirit, free to experience love, joy, peace, patience, goodness, kindness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. I hope that as you and I have concluded this journey together, that we would go and live fruitful lives. Lives where we're not bound by law, but lives where we find freedom in Christ.